We'll guide you through how to follow Krita guidelines to ensure your artwork meets professional standards. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and start by creating a new document. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting New. In the New Document window, you'll see various templates and settings. Choose your preferred canvas size, but make sure to pay attention to the resolution settings. For professional quality, set it to at least 300 dpi. Next, you'll want to set up your workspace to follow Krita's guidelines effectively. Go to Settings in the top menu, then Dockers. Ensure you have the tool options, layers, and brush presets dockers visible, as these are essential for most tasks. Now, when you're working on a project, it's important to use layers efficiently. Krita allows you to manage layers with ease. You can add new layers by clicking the Add Layer button in the Layers docker. To stay organized, name your layers by double-clicking on the layer name. Krita guidelines suggest maintaining a non-destructive workflow, which means using adjustment layers and masks instead of direct edits. To create an adjustment layer, click on Layer, then New, and choose Filter Layer. You can also add layer masks by right-clicking on a layer and selecting Add then Mask. This allows you to make changes without permanently altering the original layer. Another guideline is to use Krita's powerful brush engine effectively. You can customize and save brush presets by clicking the Edit Brush Settings button in the Brush Presets docker. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for your style. Finally, remember to save your work frequently. Go to File and click Save As to create a new version of your project, ensuring you don't lose any progress. Following these guidelines will help you make the most of Krita's features and produce high-quality digital art. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.